You can get a preview of the rubric by going into the course project paper folder. And when you go in there, the rubrics are all located right here. Okay, so when you go in there, yeah, it's my guideline of grading. So here it is right here. Synthesis, capstone paper, click on it, and okay. So, did the person do one of these things? Okay, if they didn't do one of these 4 things, paper will be returned. Usually I'll give it 5 points because they tried, and then if they don't revise and resubmit, then blah, blah, blah. This is like the other papers. Okay, this is the part that's great. It's 200 points total. You do get to revise it, but there's not a huge window for revising it, but there's around 2 weeks. You can revise it as many times as you want within the time that the assignment's available. So it's 200 points, but the first 100 points, any one of these 6 categories, if a person gets checked off needs improvement, they automatically get a 100-point deduction from their paper. Okay. The reason is because having needs improvement in any of those categories actually is a form of plagiarism. And I need to get you at least past that point to be good on this paper. I'll explain it. Okay. So needs improvement would be, all right, here's one of the qualities. Sources are properly introduced, grammatically integrated, clearly attributed. The multi-genre paper has a reflection. Okay, sources are properly introduced. Okay, so I go and I read the paper and there is no sources in it at all. Because you have to have 3 minimum. Or it's a multi-genre paper, there's no reflection. Or there could be sources in the paper throughout, no works cited attached. Or there could be a works cited attached, and there's 0 citations in the body of the paper. These are all things that I have every semester, no matter what.
So